Nangyari man na martial law. Kunwari, magsabi si, Pangulong Marcos na martial law, I'll declare martial law. Ikaw ba, on your personal capacity, would you fight against that? Even you are a pro-government, kung magde-declare siya. Correct, and kahit may diverticulitis. Kumbaga sa ano, at the end of the day, hindi naman tayo tanga. Siguro, yeah, I'm using a strong word here. Hindi naman tayo lahat tanga. We know if martial law is coming, alam natin everyone will reject that notion. Even if there's a good reason or not. Even ipaglalaban ko yung karapatan ng bawat Pilipino kung totoong merong martial law or mag-a-announce si Marcos ng martial law. Because the point of the matter is, our country have a freedom of expression. Hindi po puwedeng kilin mo ang karapatan ng kahit sino na magsalita, mag-express ng kanilang saloobin just because ayaw mo yon.